Hi, I'm Sid. I'm a general partner at OCV. And what we're discussing today is why we at OCV think that open core will become the default for making software. Today, the default for making software is proprietary. Most software is copyrighted. Not just copyrighted, most software that you use, you don't have the source code of. Sometimes you don't even have the compiled version of it. It runs somewhere in a cloud, use it as a service. I think that there's a couple of things that will drive the move to open core. One of them is trust. So I want to be, and trust in many factors. I want to be able to kind of inspect the code. What does the software actually do? I want to be able to get an opinion of how secure it is. When was it updated? Are there any flaws in it? I want to be able to inspect it for security. I want to be able to run it myself. As an organization, I want to run it in my own virtual private cloud so that I control the data that it generates. I want to be able to modify it. If I want to make a change to it to suit my own needs, I want to be able to do that both technically and legally. I want to make sure that if the company that made the software goes away, I have access to it and I can ensure that I can keep using it and updating it for the future. In the past, that was, if you have proprietary software, you need a very complicated escrow agreement to guarantee that. At open core, it is almost trivial. I want to be able to contribute to it myself. So if I have an improvement that we really need, I want to be able to contribute that to the company. I want to benefit from the improvements that others are making to the software. If all the users can contribute, the software is going to improve better. It's going to be better for me. I want to reduce the risk of lock-in. The software is partially open core. Someone can take the open source part of the code base and make a new version of it in case the existing company is not a great steward of the project. All of these increase trust. And software is getting more and more important to our lives, and we need to be able to depend on it more and more. And we think the default for most software projects is going to shift from proprietary to open core. Part of it is open source, part of it is proprietary, and all of it is source available and modifiable within by its users. Thank you so much.